Hello, welcome to the first video of UNIX in 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how to log on to a UNIX server or a UNIX machine from a Windows machine. So let me start out. This is my Windows desktop, and I'm going to show you a very useful website. The name of the website is putty.org, putty.org. If you go to this website, the very first download is called as download putty, and you can click here at this link. Once you click here, it will show you a download of putty for Windows, and as you can see here where my mouse is hovering, putty.exe is a very small software that I'm going to download right now. And once I download it, it is not even 1 megabyte software. As you can see, it is going to be downloaded here. I have already downloaded it. That's why it's showing me number 2 here. I can keep it or I can discard it. So I'm going to download it. As you can see, once I have downloaded this whole thing, this is the software here. As you can see, the size is very small, 484 kilobytes. What is the purpose of this software? This software is going to allow you to connect to a UNIX machine. From a Windows machine, you can connect to a UNIX machine. Obviously, the UNIX server is going to be somewhere. You need to know the IP address of the UNIX machine. So let me actually create a shortcut of this, which I have already created, in fact. So I'm going to just minimize this thing, and I'm going to show you that this thing here is the shortcut to the putty. If you double click on this, you don't have to install this software. Just double click on this, and then you're going to type the IP address of the server that you're going to download it to. This is the IP address. The port number is 22, which is the port number for SSH. Make sure that your SSH button is checked, because that is the protocol which you use to connect to any Unix machine. And then click on open. That's all you need to do. And then it will ask you for a login ID. I'm going to log in, and then it is telling me with the welcome message and asking me for my password. This is the username, and this is the IP address and the password. Let me enter the password here. My password is pretty long, and now I am logged in. This is my UNIX server. As you can see, this looks pretty small. So I'm going to change the settings. Right click here at the top, and I'm going to change the settings here. And let me change the colors. If you want to use the white colors, then these are the colors. And I'm going to say apply. Or let me increase the font here. And if I click on appearance here, I can change my font size. Let me make it a little bigger, 14 and bold. That may look a little comfortable. And then I'm going to click on apply. So this is my UNIX server. And let me fire my first command. Who am I? I'm logged in as user Shaker. So now we will learn more commands on UNIX in my next video. But right now, just remember, if you want to log on to a UNIX server, whether it's an AIX or Solaris or Linux or any other server, use the software called as Putty, P-U-T-T-Y. Thank you.